The Grey-headed Canary-flycatcher. The Grey-headed Canary-flycatcher is a small to medium-sized, slender, upright forest flycatcher with a crested head shape, measuring 12 to 13 centimeters in length and weighing 6 to 9 grams. The nominate race has a smoky grey head, nape, side of the neck, and upper breast, with a sometimes darker streaked forehead and lores. A narrow white eyering which is visible. The upper parts are mostly greenish or yellowish olive green, with brighter coloration on the rump and uppertail-coverts. The upperwing-coverts, mantle, and back are olive green with yellowish edges on the greater coverts, flight feathers, and tail feathers. The inner webs of the remiges and rectrices are black. The breast to undertail-coverts are bright yellow, with olive hues on the lower breast sides and flanks. The iris is dark brown, the bill is black with a pinkish base to the lower mandible, and the legs are light brown to yellowish or pinkish-brown. The sexes are alike in plumage, though the female is slightly smaller than the male. Juveniles resemble the adults but have pale yellow tips on the median and greater coverts, greyish lores, a greenish tinge to the breast, and duller yellow on the underparts. There are several subspecies with slight variations. This species can be found across India, Bangladesh, China, Myanmar, Thailand, Pakistan, Malaysia, Sumatra, Borneo, Java, Bali, Sumbawa, Flores, Lambata, and the lesser Sandas. They prefer mature and secondary dry broadleaf forests and woodlands, especially favoring wooded gorges and ravines with streams. It can also be found in abandoned plantations and large gardens, ranging from lowlands to upper montane levels. Their diet consists mainly of gnats, mosquitoes, other deep-terran flies, beetles, wasps, moths, and other small invertebrates. They forage alone, in pairs, or as a member of mixed species foraging flocks. The breeding season is from late February to July, with the species often raising to broods. It is monogamous with long-lasting pair bonds. The International Union for Conservation of Nature classifies the Grey-headed Canary-flycatcher as a species of least concern. Thank you for watching. For more video, please feel free to like and subscribe.